Guys, I have just discovered something new as a result of interviewing Stephen Little yesterday for the podcast. It's about how to use AI, and I never really realized that something this basic could be done so quickly. Um, this you may already know. In fact, everybody in the world but me may know this already, in which case I'm just kind of making an idiot of myself. But just in case you haven't done this, I want to show you how it works. So here I am in Ancestry, and I'm looking at a hint. It's a document, it's a book called Our Kin. And I'm working on the Penn family because somebody went into FamilySearch and completely obliterated it and deleted research. And so I'm trying to fix that. Anyway, here is a page from this book, and I'm going to download it, and then I'm going to feed it into ChatGPT. So here we go. Little thing and download. And then when I download it, I have to press on it and hold in order to download the image. Okay, now I've got the image. Now I'm going to ChatGPT, which lives up here. And I'm going to, oh no, it's talking back to me. Okay, I'm not going there. I'm going here, down, lower left, that write your request thing. Then all I have to do is say, transcribe this document. Because it would take me like, I don't know, 20 minutes or something to do this. And I'd have to use a laptop as well as a phone so that I could see it on the phone and then transcribe it in the computer. And sometimes I miss lines and it's useless that way. So we're going to transcribe this document. I'm going to the plus sign and I'm going to add from my files that most recent upload, which is this page here on the left. So tap it. And then I just upload, and this is what happens. I had no idea, by the way, that I had an uncle who signed the Declaration of Independence. Pretty fun. Okay, so this is what I do. First off, I'm giving you a thumbs up, which I sometimes forget to do. And now I'm going to copy all of the text of the document without the little comment from ChatGPT. And this is a great book. It was really, really good because it absolutely details who is related to whom, when they were born, married, and died, and it also provides wills. So I've just completed adding the will to George Penn and his family. And this precedes that in the book, and it is a detailed genealogy. So I'm copying that, and then I'm going to go into a Google Doc. You see the George Penn will 1780 is subsequent pages. I'm going to make a new documents file and just paste that in. There it is. So I'm going to say this is, save it, and then go up to Untitled Document, and I'm going to call it Penn Genealogy. I think I remembered right. Yes, 182. Now it's saved. It's here. There are misspellings that are kind of amusing. Spotsylvania, I don't know. I think it has one T. But anyway, here it is. Here's the whole document. I can put in returns to make it more legible. And then I can go over to FamilySearch and paste it. I'm not going to do that right now because FamilySearch is not working. Thank you very much. But I'm going to the tree and the person I last looked at, and that is John Granville Penn, signatory of the, why is that locked? Anyway, signatory of the the Declaration of Independence. Sorry, I'm getting a little distracted. What I'm going to do with it is I'm going to go over to memories and I'm going to hit the plus sign, write a story, and then I'm going to paste that in to this. But again, I can't do that right now because FamilySearch is being extremely blippy. So that is, to me, a very cool thing. And I also tried to add that document, which is an appropriate document, and it did not add because FamilySearch is being blippy. So that's what I've done and what I'm continuing to do today to work on this pen family, correct the dates, the marriages, and the relationships. This is a very well documented family, and there is no excuse for what somebody, whoever it was, did. But okay, I'll just set it right and provide all the evidence I possibly can. I'm also pasting the scans of each of these pages as, excuse me, as documents into the memory section. But I think that the story option is a very, very good one. And so I'm going to be using it more. That's all I've got today, other than a dry throat. I hope you all are doing well, and I'll be talking to you. Bye.